with the thing broken off and he was hanging off the side of it, right? The top base, yeah, was flipped. It's because he lost one of these pins, and the other side went. You know what I mean? So we need to make sure we're looking at those. Those are basically just pins in there. So yeah, so if they come out, you could really have a problem. We're looking at the hydraulics. We're looking at all the hydraulic lines to make sure they're not leaking. Wow. Remember what I said about the first time you move it? You're looking at the ground to make sure there's no drips or anything else on it, right? Because that's a tall tale sign that you have a problem, okay? Okay, so we're going to lift it back up a little bit. Watch it. Okay. Now, we're going to check to make sure the emergency down works. It works. Okay? That means if you're stuck up there or you got electrocuted up there, somebody can get you down. Okay? Now, one other thing. When you come up over a foot, watch what happens. You see it? Okay? That's your anti-tip over. That's a hole safety. In other words, if you catch a hole up here, this will keep you from tipping over, hopefully. But it's an extra added item, but you want to make sure they're working. Because if you do catch a hole out here or something else, without that, see, without that, it'll tip over. It gives it enough for it to drop and flip. So that's your added security. Okay?